Hello everyone there in Hack Forums land. This is me, Omni. I'm making a little quick video, kind of get some updates, give you some of my thoughts. Been a tough weekend, lots of downtime, a couple reverts, a lot of trouble with the database server. Pretty frustrated right now. I'm working really hard to try to get everything working properly and stable, reliable, and efficient. Performance is a big issue, and that's why I started to do all this, all the changes, but some things went wrong with the tables, mostly the post tables, which was about 5.3 gigs, and that just gave me all types of problems, and ultimately I had to revert the database back a day. We do have more memory now in the database server. We have more we have NAS backup, which basically means that the data can be backed up off the server at a more secure location. I mean, they run RAID on the backup, so it's going to be very secure and reliable. I just gonna once this is set up, I'll do it twice a day to the NAS backup, so we'll not have to lose an entire day. We'll probably only lose, if we revert, somewhere between a few hours to up to like 10 or 11 hours, unless it's a minute after the backup, it'll be 12 hours. But I just want to back up twice a day. We went from 8 gigabytes of RAM to 24 gigs, so that's actually helping performance wise. I can see that already. I gave our rather hungry MySQL server a lot more resources because of the extra RAM. 24 gigs should hold us over through the summer. We'll see about it after that, because the server can allow up to 48 gigs. The processor is running great. It's a dual quad, so that's not been a problem. The load on the server is very, very low. The performance from MySQL 5.5 has been great. I'm very happy with that. But our biggest issue is the hard drive. The current hard drive we're on, I think, was having issue with the massive file, so I made some changes to InnoDB, and we installed a SSD drive, which is a solid state drive, and basically it's like a flash memory drive, like a USB stick, but I mean, it's higher end. The drive itself is only 64 gigs, and it costs about $700-800, so it's a real expensive drive, and it's meant for enterprise situations like ours, where the data has to be reliable and extremely fast, and the throughput is pretty heavy. So that did get installed yesterday. That sort of created the problem, because I was trying to move everything onto it, and the old drive just, I don't know what was going on. It just kept crapping out trying to move a single file. It just wouldn't, I couldn't open it, and then I couldn't do any selects from it, and I tried recoveries and it just wouldn't go. So it just became a bunch of bullshit, and eventually I just was like, damn it, I'm gonna have to revert, because we went, and I figured I'd be down an hour installing a new hard drive, moving some files over, and restarting MySQL. Well, 3 hours later, I'm like, holy crap, this is sucking. It was 1 a.m. and I knew we just did a reversion the day before, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta do it again. So I did make a backup Monday morning, so at least it wasn't a full weekend we lost. We just lost another about 16 hours. I have to redo all my work again, and the sad thing is I did my work after this update, so I'm basically 2 days behind on everyone's like orders and PMs, and all the contacts I get in a day to like, oh, can you do this for me, can you fix this for me, can you check this out for me. Everything I've done all weekend on the site, I have to redo, so I'm really behind, and I'm trying to drink an energy drink right now here. Zip Fizz, one of my favorite drinks. If you don't know what it is, go look it up. It's real good. I love it. So I'm working on that, so I'm just asking for some patience while I work on this really hard. I'll get it going, and hopefully caught up, and I'm hoping we have a really stable week, and then we'll see the next couple weekends how the performance is with the additional stuff. So thanks for watching and listening, and Thanks for the support too. I mean, I know a lot of members are being real supportive in the situation, and but I apologize because we are having problems, and it ultimately falls on me to fix all these things. So I am working hard at it, and well, I just spent 5 minutes making this video, but I thought it was appropriate. So let me get back to work. Bye bye.